Hello, good afternoon. And my name is Wang Luo, and my metric number is 251230. Today I will introduce my assignment 2. This is my resource data in Java, and for this assignment I have I have 7 classes, and the first class is the caller. This class is to get each follower's information, including the number of their response stories, follower, following, and star. And now I will simply explain why I set this class. Um, After we check the resource code of the GitHub link, and we can clearly see the number of the repositories, projects, star, followers, and followings. And so in my Java code, I use the get element by class to get this context. But because this class are the same, so all the data, all the text are saved in the same class. So we use each text to get this data, and this data will saved in a array list. And for the first index is the response stories, and the second index will be the number of the projects, and the third index will store the stars, and the fourth will store the number of the followers, and the last is the number of the following. So that's why I use and set the caller to get each followers the number of the response stories, followers, following, and star. Uh, this is my second class. This class is for collecting each follower's name, because I need to get each follower link, and all user link are organized with their name. That means the log ID, such as this first link. This is the teacher's summary link, and this is my own link. And these two links are just different from the log ID. And the other text are same. So we just need to change the log ID in each link, then we can get each follower link. It is convenient for me to collect each of follower link, so and to read their data, read their information. So this is my second class to get each follower's name. This is my third class, is the get link. After we use the second class to get each follower's name, and this class is used for get every follower link, and we just need to replace each log ID of the link. Then we can get the each follower page link. And this is my follower thread class, and in this class we have 5 methods. The first one is the get content by JSON, which require HTML content from GitHub, and the second method is the git dive content by JSON, which requires the content what we need to by element class. And the third method is the get all name, which get all followers name, because the total of teacher follower are 166, and they take up 4 pages. Hence, we need to separate 4 URL to get total of 4 pages follower names. And the fourth method is the get link by JSON, which I set one more get link, but this method only to collect how many followers link have in one page. And the fifth method is the run, which is my serried method, and this method will call crawler function and to request each follower's information, such as how many follower, how many following, response stories, and the star. And this is my get content class, and this class have 2 methods. The first method is to require HTML content from GitHub, and the second one is get div content by JSOAP, and this method is used to require the content what we want. And this is my save Excel class, and this class is used for save each follower of teacher information. Since I saved the data into Excel without using Serif, hence many code is repeatedly written into the class, and this class mainly for storing every follower's information into the Excel file. And this is my main class, and this class is used for run the follower thread and get the output to print every follower's information, how many number of the response rate, number of the follower, number of the following, and the number of star. And and now I will run my assignment to Java code. Because the time limitation, I just will simply show the output. Because we set the thread sleep time is 10,000, so the response of this program will a little slow. So yeah, the first followers information went out, and the second one, and this is just a simply show of my output. Yeah, so that's all my resource data in Java. And after we run the save Excel class, and then we will get the Excel file, and this Excel file have collected every follower's information, and this is my Excel file. And because I type the Java code in NetBeans IDE, so for our UML diagram, I will use the Eclipse software to draw the class diagram. And the first step, I need to copy every Java file into the Eclipse software, and then we just need to put each Java file into the master UML. And after we copy the every Java file into the Eclipse, I create a new master as UML, and for in this folder we choose the class diagram. Okay, and then we get a UML diagram 2, and then we just need to put each Java file into this UML diagram 2, and then first we add the main to connect to the follower thread U with the dependency, and because the main class is to run the follower thread, and this thread association my Clover class, my getName class, and the getLink class. And for another class, the save Excel class, because this class is not included into the flower thread, so I also connect this class to the getName, getLink, and the getContent content with the association relationship. So that's all.